So I was asked about this little piece the other day. This is the piece that's on the oiler. I don't know if it's original or not. It's just a brass fitting. Basically, I'll show you when it's on the engine there. It's just a pipe nipple that comes up from the cylinder sleeve up through the casting, and then this was on there when I got this engine. So I do not know if this is original or not. It has 4 holes going through the sides. Like I said, this is the end that the original oiler that I'm using goes into. That's where the nipple, just a little 1/8 inch nipple, threads into. So yeah, what do you guys know? Have you seen these on the old engines before or not? So it was on there, so I kept it on there. So there's the piece that we were talking about. You can see it's on the oiler there. Not on the oiler, but on the engine right now. I'm going to thread the oiler into it there in a minute here, so I'll show you there. And yeah, so I put it back on there because it was on there. So this is the original oiler. Also came with the engine. I did have to put a replacement glass on the top. The sight glass is the original one, but so. So just kind of filling this up with some media. Hopefully try to bend it without kinking it. So So everybody, got the olds running. Still a few things to do to it. Having issues with the check valve that came with it. It's not, sometimes it's working, sometimes it's not. I don't know a lot about these check valves. Do you guys know, like, does it also work with this return line to keep it from sucking fuel up as well that way or not? I'm not sure. Just kind of something that seems like it was sucking fuel up that way, but you know, still got some work to do to it, but it does run. You know, just run some temporary lines and stuff like that. Probably as you've seen in the video, like I say, I was having problems with the check valve, so just something there to try and get it done. And obviously the fuel mixer is working. You know, I'd like to get it slowed down a little bit here somewhere along the line, and but you know, ran it for about 10 minutes here today. A little tough to do that right now. It's pretty cold out, so opening up the door and stuff like that cools off the shop here pretty quick. So probably a few things I'll do here before spring. Don't know if I'll have another video for a while or not on this particular engine until maybe I kind of button things up and can pull it outside and let it have a good run for a while. So, but you know, it does run, so it's a good thing. Now it's just all the fine tuning and everything like that. That's sometimes a big part of the engine restoration when you get one going. So is how can you get it dialed in to run at its optimum. So thanks everybody. I hope you enjoyed the video series. Like I say, there might be one or two more down the road here, but probably be a little while. But please like and subscribe. Feel free to comment and share if you like. So and I hope to see you guys on another video series soon. Thanks. Talk to you later.